Hey guys, Law3, and today we're taking a look at the Ulanzi VL49 video light, which is around £15 on Amazon at the moment. I believe it was a little bit cheaper when I picked it up. I think it was close to 13. I will confirm that up here. Now, I was tempted with the official GoPro Light, but in the UK that's £55. More than 3 times more than this. And from videos I've seen, because it's such a small light, it's got really concentrated central beam, so you get like a hot spot in the center. I've tested this at night a couple of days ago, and the results are pretty astounding, so let's take a look at those. Hey guys, so this is an evening test. We are running at, what is the time? I think it's about 2 o'clock in the morning, so it is pitch black. I've currently got the lounge light on up there, and we're going to give it a try without. So firstly, I'm just going to turn the light off. Black, completely black. Okay, I'm now going to turn on stage 1 of this light when I find it. There you go. And you can see, even though I've got this light on, it gives far better lighting to my face. If I now turn that light off, how's that? And we will check it against the wall outside in a minute, but yeah, that is on the lowest setting. If I just try and find these buttons again, there you go. That says number 2, so this is at arm's length, number 3, and number 4. So you can see there, that's number 5, which is the brightest. That is pretty bright. Now if I now put on the living room light, that is 5000K soft daylight at 100%. These are LifeX bulbs, and then again turn it off again. You can see there's only a minimal adjustment on the back, so this light really is doing a good job of lighting everything up. That is a little bit too bright for my eyes, so I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. There you go. Even on the lowest setting, I think that is fine, and we're going to test this out, have a walk outside. So I'm not going to talk much because people are asleep. Okay, so we're outside. I have got little solar lights there, which don't do a massive job. But if I just turn this light off one more time, I can feel around to find the button. There you go, so that's with the light off with these small solar lights. There you go, just get them to come back on again. There you go, they're on. And then that's with the Ulanzi light. We're going to test this now on a brick wall. So you can see there, I am just to one side, so voice won't be as noisy. That is level 1, level 2, 3, 4 and 5. I can also notice there's not really any bright spots. I noticed with the official GoPro Light, there's quite a strong central bright spot, whereas this, it seems quite uniform. So yeah, step 1 is perfectly fine for lighting the path so I can see. There you go, it's perfectly fine for one person face to face. I'd say maybe 2 sometimes, but as you can see, this is, I'm just going to turn around here without these lights on. If I just stand in here, and I'm just going to wait for these lights behind me to go off if I don't move. There you go, so they're now off. I'm not sure what difference there is on that to when we're on, but if I just move back again, they will come back on. But yeah, as you saw without those earlier on, absolutely pitch black. So yeah, super impressed with this.